welcome to Crafty Fox DIYs. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make thick and chunky salsa. First, I'm going to start with 6 cups of diced tomatoes. You can use whatever kind of tomatoes you like. I like to use a variety of tomatoes and a variety of colors. You also need 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of bell peppers. I also use a variety of bell pepper colors, and half a cup of jalapeno pepper. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm also going to be adding 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now I'm going to stir it all up together. Now I'm going to put this on the stove at medium heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes or until it's thickened. Now my salsa is all cooked down and thick, and I'm going to place it into some airtight containers. I use this salsa for lots of things. I put it in my hot dog sauce whenever I make it, and in chili. This salsa will keep in the refrigerator for a week or in the freezer for 2 months. This smells so good. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.